Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create automated emails in Hubspot to use in workflows. Automating your emails helps streamline communication and keeps your audience engaged without manual effort. First, navigate to HubSpot's homepage and log in with your account credentials. This gives you access to all of HubSpot's marketing tools. Once you're logged in, go to the marketing menu and select email. This is where you manage all your email campaigns. Next, click the Create Email button to start a new campaign. It's important to select the automated email type. This ensures the email can be used in workflows and will be sent automatically based on user actions or predefined triggers. After selecting the automated type, you can proceed to customize and configure your email content. Add your subject lines, body text, images, and any personalization to make your emails engaging. Automated emails in HubSpot allow you to send triggered messages, maintaining seamless communication with your audience and improving engagement. By mastering this feature, you'll significantly enhance your marketing workflows and make your communication strategies more effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.